Want to enable HTTPS in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section. Click on Websites list from the middle panel, then select the website you want to secure. Now, go to the dashboard of your chosen website. In the middle panel, click on Security, then select SSL. This will take you to the SSL certificate page. Click on the Install SSL button next to your website. A pop-up will appear. Simply close it. Once the installation is complete, your website's SSL status will be marked as active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled HTTPS on your Hostinger website. This will ensure a secure connection for your visitors and improve your site's credibility. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive offer. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.